Today, we're going to put together this ring light. We're going to open this package, from Amazon. It is my ring light, and it was the most budget-friendly ring light that actually looked fairly decent in quality. So, here we go. Okay, opening it up here, and let's see if I can open it up this way. Okay. All right. Okay, there it is. It is the UV size, and let's see, we're going to open the box here. Okay, let's see. Alright, okay, we have, looks like a smaller box. Okay, let's put this aside. Alright, and I'm going to gently pull out this bubble wrap here. This is the light itself. Okay, let's get this stuff taken out and then we can put it together. We have the light here, if you can see it against my Halloween tablecloth. And it has the on and off button. And the plus and minus signs are for the dimming options. It does dim. I'm not sure what that is. I think that's colors. I think it has different colors too. Okay, and let's see what's in the box. We had power cord. Let's see. Anyway, we have it's like the smartphone holder that fits in the center of the ring light. And then we have the little tripod, and it is small. It's a tabletop tripod, but it is pretty sturdy. You know, you have to really shake it to make it move around. Okay. I'm going to put this together, and then I'll show you the final product. I will say that from what I can tell, I think this screws on here. No, actually, I think the ring light goes here. Maybe I can do this. Well, give me a second. Don't want to drop this. Yep. That's how that went, guys. Got it on there off camera, of course. I'd rather do that than drop it. You tighten this too. Make sure it's tightened really well. You don't want to break this. It's just like a light bulb. And then you attach the cell phone holder here. Okay. And you just twist it for a minute until it starts to get snug, and it will take a little muscle power here to get this thing back centered, if you want it centered in the middle of the ring light there. I'm gonna tighten that up. Okay, now this is neat because you can move this around. You can turn it all different directions. This is very adjustable. And watch. I'm just gonna make sure my phone is safe in this clamp. It is now in this clamp, and you can see you can move it around different directions. It's pretty cool. I like it. This joker was only like 20 bucks. I mean, that's pretty good for beginners, and I'm a beginner. So that's so cool. Okay, now we have to plug it in and see how it works. I'm going to turn the light on now, just here. I also have a remote, but we'll do it this way first. It's gonna get really bright. Whoa! Okay, this is the brightest setting here, and you can dim this. Give me a second, I'm adjusting it. There's my dog. Okay, you can lower, 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 Okay, this is the lowest setting. This is as far as it dims. It's still kind of bright, but it's not too bright. And I even have a little of the sun coming in right now. So you can move this around. Now we're gonna try the remote. And the remote is Bluetooth. So you just turn on your Bluetooth on your iPhone or your Android. It has an Android and iPhone option. And you turn on your Bluetooth, and very quickly it will show the name of this ring light, and you can connect really fast. So 1 second. Hi, over here. All right, it is controlled by the remote, and whoops, right here, as you can see, it's got iOS and Android, maybe. Well, it's backwards, of course. Okay, and then you can stop it and start again. And you can also take photos with this. You just click it, photos. It's pretty cool. So this ring lights iPhone smartphone holder for iPhone and Android, $20 Amazon. Pretty cool. And now I can play with my makeup. I almost forgot colors. I don't know if you can tell, but that's orange, that's white, that's like another kind of white. It's orange, kind of a blue. It's just got different hues as well. Okay, now I'm really going.